Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I will detail how to change Photos app back to normal on iOS 18. So if you are used to the Photos app set up on your iOS 17 or earlier, and now you would like to change the Photos app back to normal on your iPhone, run latest iOS 18 instead of having all of these parts added to the new Photos app on your iPhone, and I want to take all this down: the trip, people and pets, featured photos, and then the rest of them. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change Photos app back to normal on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Once you open the Photos app, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Just keep scrolling until you get to customize and reorder. Then go ahead and tap that. Now once you click on that, here you have all the categories you have on the Photos app on your iPhone iOS 18 Photos app. Now remove what you don't want to show up on the Photos app. Just keep removing them like this. So the iOS 17 or earlier Photos app configuration only shows media type and then utilities. And once you're done, close this. And if you go back to the Photos app on your iPhone, you discover that you only have the photo library. Then if you scroll down a bit, you have the media type and then the utilities. So instead of having all other features like recent, days, people, pin collections, memory strips, featured photos, album, shared album, and wallpaper suggestions, then you have them taken down by yourself. Then you can then leave with the photo configuration you prefer to use. So that is basically how you can change Photos app back to normal on iOS 18. So if you found this really informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.